Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Burdock chips. Gobōチップス. If you have never tried it, please try it out. It's one of very popular school lunch dishes. My daughter requested me to make it at home. It's really delicious. Perfect for snack time, appetizer. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You don't want to peel them, scrape Gobo with the back of the kitchen knife to remove the skin. I'm using pre-washed Gobo. If you're using pre-washed one, you don't have to remove the skin. Slice Gobo and soak in water or vinegar water for 5 minutes. Drain well with a paper towel. Deep fry in oil until crisp golden brown. Make sure you remove from the oil when they are slightly brown like these. Sprinkle the fries with salt or seasoning of your choice is okay. And now it's done! Easy, right? Crispy yet nutritious, good source of fiber, perfect for snack time. By the way, burdock root gets very bitter if you deep fry too brown. One like this is very bitter. Actually, I tried this one and it was really bitter, so just remember and be careful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more school lunch recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
ここまでこんがり揚げちゃうとね、結構苦いんだよ。
これを
そう、それぐらい薄いやつなの。
確かに苦い。
あんま苦いの食べるのやめときな。
これは大丈夫だ。薄いのを食べると美味しい。こういうの白いやつね。
ね、もうちょっと薄く揚げればよかったね。
ねもう一回作りなさいね。
で、薄く揚げたらいいってことが分かったから、逆にほらちょっといかんかったことをシェアしといたらいいんじゃない？完璧なところだけさ取ってさ、みんなちょっと調子に乗ってこれぐらい揚げちゃったら結構苦い。それ大丈夫だね。
見て、写真撮ってないけど大丈夫？見て、トルコで見て、僕のファイヤー見て。
はい、学校の給食と同じ味ですか？
はい。で、細がじゃあオーブン。